Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a really short one. Thank you guys for coming back and supporting me. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure that you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you haven't already. For all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. I need everybody to make sure your notifications are turned on so you do not miss any of my uploads. You do that by clicking the notification bell in the box below. I will be sure to link this hair down below, and I will also have the link to my beauty supply, which is Tressa's Beauty Supply, down below as well, so you can get you some goodies there. And again, I braided my hair in this video probably about 17 days prior, and honestly I was just over it. I really wanted something fresh, something new that I had never done. Passion twist is extremely new for me on myself, so this was my first attempt at it. No, my parts are not straight, but I do not care. I love the way it turns out, and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. Go ahead and enjoy the video, and I hope that you guys will come back and spend more time with me. Go back and watch some of my other videos. Again, thank you guys for the support, and I love y'all. Bye.
Original bad man. It's She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming at me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
Oh, one quick thing I forgot to mention. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I actually did this in more detail with how I started with a braid, ended with a twist, how I make them secure, then make sure you let me know down in the comments. I'm happy to share that with you guys in another video. Bye.
I stand in the city, me I can't see a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I